All right, let's review a two-step equation. So a two-step equation means we have two steps to solve it, right? So I have this 2x minus 4 equals 12. First thing, I draw a line on my equal sign, right? And then I want to get this x by itself. So I want to get rid of the number without the x first. So I see this is a minus 4. We always do the opposite. So if it's a minus 4, I'm going to do a plus 4 to get rid of this and leave me with 2x on my left side. Remember, with equations, that means they're equal. So whatever you do to one side of your equation, you have to do to the other side. So I did plus 4 to my left side of my equation, so that means I have to do plus 4 to the right side of my equation. So I have 12 plus 4, which gives me 16. All right, so now I want to get x by itself. I don't want 2x, I just want x. So how can I get rid of that 2? Well, this is 2x, a number next to a letter, remember, it means multiply. So the opposite of multiply would be divide. We always do the inverse or the opposite operation. So I'm going to divide by 2 to cancel those 2's out and leave me with just x. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to my other side. So I have 16 divided by 2, which is 8. And my final answer is x equals 8. Remember, the good thing about equations is I can always check my work. So if I pull up my Desmos, I see it says x equals 8. I can type in Desmos x equals 8, hit enter, and then I can type in my original equation thing up here, 2x minus 4, and that gave me 12, and that's what they wanted that to equal, 12. So we know we got it right. So remember, equations, you can always check your work. When you're solving equations, you always do the opposite or the inverse operation to get the variable by itself. You get rid of the number without the variable first, and then you get rid of the number with the variable last.